In this video, we're going to see about how to create a VPC, custom VPC, our own VPC, and resources, and how we can launch an instance through the custom VPC. Okay. Mm, to simplify that, we can see this diagram. See AWS Cloud. In the AWS Cloud, we have a region. In a region, we have two availability zone. In the two availability zone, we're going to create a custom VPC. After creating custom VPC, we're going to connect it to the internet through internet gateway, and to connect the internet gateway, we just want to give the route to the route table from instance to the route table to internet gateway and to the internet and to the end user, which is our client. This is what we are going to do now in a lab. Okay, first let us create a VPC. Okay, your VPC. Already I have created custom VPC. See, custom VPC is available. IP4 ADR. Okay, route is fixed. Okay, everything is okay. So we create a custom VPC, and then so for our convenience, I'm going to create a new VPC. Okay, new VPC only, and you have to name it as custom VPC 1. Okay, then IPv4 ADR. Okay, this what we're going to give is 192.168.1.0 and the maximum prefix length is 24. Fine. Okay, this is no IPv4 block 4. Then tenancy is default tenancy, and okay, everything is okay. Then we can create a VPC. We create our custom VPC. After that, we're going to give a route. So for that, we want to go to route table. I already have created a route. So irrespective of that, I'm going to create a new route table. Custom VPC main route table 1 lab. And we have to create our custom VPC. This is what we created at 1. After that, create route table. Fine. So we also created our route table. So we can create, okay, see, this is destination, local active status. Okay, in edit routes, okay, we can give our routes wherever we need. And here is our local route. So we have correctly created the route table, and then we need to create a subnet. For that, we need to go to subnets. These are subnets I have created already, but still I'm going to create a new subnet. Create subnet. Which VPC? My new custom VPC, and I'm going to give the subnet name as Dharun VPC subnet. Okay, for our clarification, I have Dharun VPC subnet 1. Okay, and my availability zone is okay. Use is to 1. IPv4 VPC CIDR, which is okay 192.168.1.4. Okay, then this is 192.168.1.0. which is the length is 20, prefix length is 26. Okay, and then I'm going to create a subnet, newly created subnet in our name. After that, we want to provide it to the internet, right? For to connect to the internet, we need an internet gateway. So we want to create an internet gateway. So already I create a custom internet gateway. So still I'm going to create a new custom IG internet gateway lab. Okay, lab. I'm going to create a internet gateway. Okay, then I'm going to attach to the VPC, to my VPC, which is a custom VPC 1. Okay, and attach internet gateway. I'm going to attach it, and now we can able to communicate with the internet. And then we need to route the internet gateway. We need to route the internet gateway from the, what you can say, in the route table. We want to route that route to the internet gateway. For that, what we are going to do is route table, and this is our route, right? This is our route. So click on this routes, edit routes. We want to add a route. Give us 0.0.0.0, which is internet gateway. Where is internet gateway, and we want to set our internet gateway, and then save. Yeah, we added the route also. And then now we are going to create a EC2 instance. As what we do for the last 10 to 20 classes. So we go to EC2, going to launch an instance, and the instance name is Linux web server, Amazon Linux. And then okay, it's the same for Amazon, it is same. T3 micro, key pair is key 2, and in network settings I'm going to edit it. I'm going to launch it in my own custom VPC. For that I'm going to click custom VPC 1, and in my subnet I have only one subnet, and I want to auto assign public IP. I'm going to select existing group, security group. If it is not there, I'm going to create a new security group. So click on create new security group. Lab security group, and then if you want to allow HTTP, right? So custom okay, this is anywhere. Okay, fine. I'm going to add a security group. First one, HTTP anywhere. Okay, that's it. HTTP, we enabled the HTTP also. 0.0.0, okay, as 0. Okay, fine. And in advanced details, we need to give a user data. For user data, I'll take one bash script. Let me take this is our bash script and to launch an instance. In meanwhile, we'll go to subnets. In subnets, in action, we click our subnet. Where is Dharun subnet? Click on action, edit subnet settings. Then you have to enable auto assign public IP, and then save. Yeah, Now let's go to our instance. Let's see whether it is running or not. That's in running state. Okay, fine. Let's see. We launch